Hi, this is Eric Moreland at Moreland Properties. We're the Austin Christie's affiliate. This is 2607 River Hills, number G. This is a 2-acre parcel with a remodeled vintage cabin that we've brought back to life. It doesn't look like it'd be that complicated, but given that we're permitting a little living structure with a kitchen and a bathroom inside the 75-foot critical water quality zone, it took Austin's best to get this done. One of the coolest features is that we look over into the preserve at City Park. That is just kind of preserve area with the hillside and the land behind that. It's really special to have that private view from a little cabin like this. Lone Star Docks built a custom cradle for me. Actually have twin motors on the lift. It's one of the only ones on the lake like that. We've got extra supports on the upstream side, so when they do have floodgates open, the dock doesn't sway. And just things we've learned over the years, just kind of being a lake nerd, and it's just, it's what I love to do.